Hey guys, Ken up at Hudson Forest Equipment here at the factory, upstate New York. It's about 30 degrees out here. We're waiting on a snowstorm. So just want to give you a quick video on how the cheater brackets work. You're going to find these provided with your sawmills from the HFE 21, Oscar 428s. They do not come with the bigger mills, but they are with the smaller mills. So this is how they work. So if you have a log that happens to be a little bit bigger than the dogs can actually lock in, and but it still fits on your track and it's millable, that's where these come into play. So what you do is you're going to take your log dog and you're going to put it against the log like this. We provide you with 4 double-headed nails. You just take them and you're going to put them in like so. And what that does is it allows you to mill without the log rocking back and forth. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make a couple passes, work your log down to a workable position, and then you can roll your log or continue milling it out, however you want to do it from there. And it's a nice handy tool we provide. So if you got any questions about this or anything else that Hudson provides, give us a call, 315-896-4316. My name is Ken. There's a lot of people here that can help, a lot of knowledgeable people. Give us a shout. Thank you very much.